Hey, so there is nothing as cool as arriving at West Coast Drum Shop in Bellevue, Washington. When they tell you there's been a delivery for you, you arrive, there's a massive pile of drums. Come here and check this out. Massive pile of drums waiting for you. I'm seeing that. I'm seeing that. And I got an idea what's in here. So let's check this out. Let's open some of these up. These are from Chad Smith of the Red Hot Chili Peppers. And let's see what Chad sent me. Masterfully packed, by the way, by his tech, Chris Warren. Now, if every drum set I ever received was packed as beautifully as this, I would just be a happy man. Let's see what we got here. Oh, check this out. There is something you don't see every day. Oh, okay, check this out. This is a RCI Vistalite clear throne made by DW, canister throne, with a butt kicker built into it. Butt kicker is like a bass drum monitor system. If you're unfamiliar, those allow you to feel your bass drum. Basically, you feel it. It feels like you're hearing it, but you're actually feeling it. That would be the wire, however that's connected. Pretty dang cool. Let's see what else we got here. Come on. Oh, check that out. So, what we've got there, that is some people call them octobans, they call them all kinds of things. But that is from Chad's set. It's clear with these sandblasted Red Hot Chili Peppers logos on it. How frickin' cool is that? And it looks like there's 4 of these things in here. I guess that would be the smaller, I don't know. These are either the smaller or the larger set. Ooh, let's see what we got over here. You know, I've been doing this for a while, and I still feel like a kid on Christmas. That is one of the beautiful things of my job is I get a fun every day. And I've always got something really cool to look forward to virtually every day. Wow, so that looks like a 14-inch floor tom. Same thing, these are pearl. I can't remember what, I think Pearl calls them crystallite, but that is a very heavy shell. You've got Chad's markings on them to line up with the hardware. Again, this sort of random Red Hot Chili Peppers logos. Chad's love on the head. Pretty damn cool. All right, let's see what this set looks like set up. Okay, we are